This is a tutorial on virtual classroom. I'm going to start off by showing you what the parents will see, because I think that's probably of utmost importance, because it gives you the confidence to know that it's going to be working for your school. So the parents log in securely using their username and password. They see all the icons. Your school has the ability to obviously hide certain icons if they're not relevant to your school. At the very bottom you see virtual classroom. The parent will click on that link. It's all mobile friendly, so every link, every page is geared towards mobile use. So what's important here is that only subjects that have been allocated to that specific parent's child will show. So the student or the parent can log in, and for this demo we've got English, Maths and Science. There's the subject outline, and I know there's 2 lessons linked to that subject. So I click on lessons. That would be the teacher's profile photo, subject outline, and I've got a topic, a lesson, a length and a date, and as a Zoom meeting I can see on that specific lesson. I, as the parent, can click on the lesson. Okay. I can log into a Zoom meeting if I wish on that date and time to have a Zoom meeting with the teacher. And there's an overview of the lesson. There's a link over here I can click on. Okay, so you can make it as interactive as you want. The more information you put into the system, the more interactive for the parent. The parent also has a calendar to look at. So on the parent's calendar, they can go to that week we've loaded the subjects for, and there they are. So that's why the allocation of a date and time per subject is so important, because it basically directly feeds into the parent's calendar. The parent can click on Science on Wednesday at 2 o'clock, for example, and then the lesson appears. Very easy to use, very user-friendly. We've tried to make it as interactive and colourful for the parents and the students as possible. What's important is that we have consolidated everything in a very structured format, so the parents know exactly what they're doing on a specific day. Okay, now I'm going to jump across to what the school sees. So the administrator obviously logs in, clicks on Virtual Classroom. It defaults to this page. I'll explain to you what's going on here. So these are the subjects that you're loading. These are the classes that it's being linked to. These are the topics, and within every topic there's a lesson. This means that it's been published so the parents can view it. I can unpublish it very easily by clicking Take Offline. And then it says Offline. I can edit a subject, I can preview it, and I can delete it. So just if you wanted to see what the parent sees, you click that and you can scroll through just to what the parents would be viewing. I'll just add a demo subject, topic and lesson for you to show you how quickly and easy it can be done. So to get started, I click on Add New. I choose a subject, allocate a class, I write an outline, allocate a profile image if you wish. We're going to be adding more images here for you. Let's just pick on any one for now. Okay, so there's the science. So the next step is I just add the topic. Let's just add a topic in there. Okay, the next step now is to add a lesson. Okay, you can allocate any lesson what you want. You write your overview, type in the content, any tasks you want the students to complete. Here you could put in, you could link a resource to a textbook. You could type in the chapter. You can put a page number. You can you can attach, you can attach a file. You can upload a link. This is important now, you're going to allocate a lesson to a specific date and a specific time. That links it to your school calendar. And you can say that lesson's 30 minutes long. I can also schedule a Zoom meeting. So you can type in your Zoom ID, put a password, and say I want that Zoom meeting to be live on the 13th at 9 o'clock. Click Add Lesson. Okay, so there's the lesson. Now I want to preview it. Okay, refraction, lesson 1, and there's the lesson I've just created. So the more you add, the more interactive it becomes. If you want to edit that lesson, you can go back to it. You can delete whatever you want. You might want to make a change over here. Click Edit, and it's been done. If once you're ready and you want to publish it, you just click the Publish button. And now the parent logs in on their side. Go to Virtual Classroom, and there's that subject I just added. Click on one lesson, and there it is. We've also got an outline for you in terms of what it can look like. I'm just going to find it very quickly. Here we go. So this is a template. So when your teachers are uploading content, it's very important that they follow this outline, because you can then literally just copy paste it directly from your template straight into the system. So yeah, if you want a copy of the template, let me know and I can forward it on to you. I hope that helps. Let me know if you've got any questions.